Whoa, that's a lot of bags. Where did they come from? There isn't a grocery store here.
Yeah, these bags can just ride the wind and travel long distances. Ultimately, they end up in the water. Did you know that plastic bags like these are used just once before being thrown away? Almost half of all the plastic produced in the world are put into the production of single-use products like these shopping bags, plastic lids for coffee cups, plastic wraps, plastic cutlery, even plastic water bottles.
I think this water bottle is great, and the water is clean, so I won't get sick. What's the big deal?
Most of the plastic produced in the world today is light and tough. So tough that it's almost indestructible. It doesn't rot or decompose. It just remains on the earth forever, and every year we add over 300 million tons of plastic to the earth, and we have no way of ridding what we put on it, because it's light and virtually indestructible.
Indestructible means something can't be destroyed.
How we consume and how we manage our waste is the real problem.
Whoa!
Wow, Brian, that's so interesting. I didn't realize plastic never decomposes. And we keep making more and more plastic, which we use only once and throw away? More than 300 million tons a year! The largest animal on Earth is a blue whale, which weighs 150 tons? 300 million tons is like 2 million blue whales! Whoa! We need to be mindful, use less plastic, and clean up our waste, like you're doing now, to stop it from entering the ocean.